Welcome guys, welcome to Life Scientific. This video is going to be a bit different one from the others that you watch. I generally take a topic and I just want to explain to you these things. But this time it's a bit different. I was searching through Google for some content and all, but I got something that I want to show you. Okay, so let's just get into it. Okay, just listen to this, what I have got. I don't know if there will be any copyright strike or not. I don't know that. I am not Tanmay Bhatt. Okay.
कोरोना 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 जब से फैला है तेरा ये मौत पे है खली बली हो गया है दिल चाइना से मेरा खली बली हो गया
Oh,
है दिल
this is so perfect.
खली बली हो गया है दिल चाइना से मेरा खली बली हो गया है दिल तुमने ना
Oh, these are actually based upon those Bollywood songs.
जाना कि ये कोरोना लेकर आया है गम का खजाना मेरे दिल की है ये दास्तां कोरोना कोरोना जाओ ना
Just enjoy the song. Just
जाओ ना जाओ
enjoy.
ना कोरोना 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 जाओ ना तुम पास आए कोरोना फैलाए तुमने न जाने क्या कितने रुलाए अब तो हर एक दिन यही डर होता है क्या करूं हाय कोरोना जब होता है
Spoiler, guys. Trump, I think, is suffering from COVID these
जब
days.
होता है
So, you know what I mean.
नमस्ते सीखो नमस्ते से मिलना जितनी सफाई रखी हमने उतना भागे कोरोना पहनो ना पहनो ये मास्क बचना है कर ओ पागल
Yes, that's the point. This is the perfect way to wear a mask. Not that I showed in one of my video. Okay. So everyone was like trolling me in my friend circle. Everyone was saying that, oh, don't wear a mask like Akash. Oh, अरे यार क्या बात है यार हट मैंने तो मतलब जो अवेयरनेस फैलाने के लिए मैंने जो किया था उसको जो भी है
जाता हूँ मैं जल्दी जा भाई धड़के जिया उफ क्या हुआ सबसे मैं डरने लगा हूँ
This is so perfectly made. This song is so
कोरोना
perfectly
से
made.
कैसे बचूं
No, you can't.
जितना डिले तुम करोगे उतना कोरोना फैलेगा भाइयों बहनों कोरोना का कहर मिटाना मुश्किल है पर
Okay, so this one was the first one. So let's see the second one. I found these things incredible. Okay, this one. Let's see.
कोविड-19 के नाम से आया एक शैतान 2.5 लाख प्लस केसेस 10,000 की ले ली जान इतने सालों से जो गलती की उन गलती का अंजाम में क्या ये सबको डरा के रखे इंसान की जान पे बने जीने की बात क्या मरने से भी बदतर इंसान में जो खौफ है सब घर के है अंदर तूफान ये जबरदस्त सब रास्ते हैं खाली दुनिया का हाल ऐसा जैसे सूखा समंदर हवा फट रही है सबकी जो बाहर से जो आ रहे वो सारे जैसे भूत से मंडरा रहे क्या दिन देखने को मिल रहा दुनिया में देखो अब बम और बारूद से ज्यादा खांसी का है खौफ अबे सुनो सब अंदर ही रह लो कोरोना का रोना बंद होने तक रह लो हाथ धोते सब रह लो साफ सुथरे सब रह लो जो कुछ भी है करना घर के भीतर ही कर लो Stay inside. Be safe. Stay hygienic. Respect.
That was a stream. That was not a stream actually. That was a kind of songs I found when I searched for a Corona song. Okay, so I just wanted you to know this thing, and I am seeing that these days these reaction channels are growing very much. So अपना भी अगर कुछ हो जाए तो अच्छा है जो भी है. I don't know if they will be like striking me copyrights and all. I don't know really. And if you see that the video is unavailable, that means they have striken me with copyrights and I'm dead. Okay. I thought of first making a another video actually, because Durga Puja is here, of course. It's the biggest festival means for us the Bengalis. You know, like আমরা যেরকম বাড়ি থেকে বেরোই তো দুর্গা পূজার সময় তো বাড়ি থেকে বেরোবই, and everyone will be like celebrating, means meeting their friends. Even I will meet my friends after around 5 months, I guess. So everyone will be like, okay, let's just meet, let's just hang out and all, everything, do whatever you like, do meet your friends. One thing that is to be kept in mind, that you are not vulnerable. Okay, I have made so many videos on this COVID-19. Actually, I have studied a lot about it. So one thing that is to be kept in mind is that, like, just don't think that no, it's over. Okay, no, it's over, it's okay. क्या ही होगा भाई, मिल लेंगे ना, क्या है, ऐसा नहीं है ना. Do wear a mask properly. Mask এখানে দেখবেন একটা ছোট মতো প্লাস্টিক এখানে ঢোকানো আছে, দেখুন এটা বেন্ড করলে এরকম বেন্ড হয়ে যাচ্ছে. এই মাস্কগুলো পেলে খুব ভালো. ওকে, কারণ এইগুলো কি হবে দেখুন, আমি দেখাচ্ছি পরে আপনাকে. বললাম অনেকে আমি দেখছি পড়ছে, এটা এখানে জাস্ট চিপে দেবেন, এটা অনেকে আমি দেখছি পড়ছে, এই জায়গাটা ফাঁকা থাকছে, এই জায়গাটা এটা করে লাভ নেই. দেখুন এই জিনিসটা পুরো কিন্তু এখানে সিল হয়ে যাচ্ছে, আমার কিন্তু এখানে পুরো সিল হয়ে যাচ্ছে. সো এই রকম অ্যারেঞ্জমেন্টে মাস্কটা পড়তে হবে. ওকে, and I am just seeing people all over places and roads and everything, that people are not wearing masks properly. Okay, it's very sad to see, but till now people are not wearing masks properly. So what can be a more miserable thing than that? Okay, so it's very serious condition out there. Yes, more videos are coming, and no, this is only I think the comedy one. I think that our life is like comedy, and everything is the part of our life. Okay, so I love comedy actually, so I can't do comedy, whatever. I am just unable to do comedy. Okay, and I am not a good streamer and all kind, means gamer kind of thing. So basically, I am not Tanmay Bhatt. Okay,
I am noob.
My point is, get out of your houses if you want, and try to avoid the crowd, because social distancing is not a thing in our pujas. Okay, so you know, means you are a sensible, educated human being and you know it. Please wear a mask properly, carry your sanitizers, hygiene, maintain your basic hygienes, and whenever you return to your house, don't like come close to your elders. Okay, and first of all, get fresh, and after this whole thing, just isolate yourself. Okay, means for 10 days or just for 14 days or 10 days or 7 days, whatever, you just isolate yourself. Don't interact with your elders who are basically more vulnerable to this whole disease. Okay, so you are not vulnerable. If you are 18 to 22 years old, the age group who views my video the most, this age group is not actually vulnerable is our parents, is our grandparents. Okay, so you need to understand that thing most importantly. You should keep one thing in mind, that this time the puja is a bit different one from the other times. Okay, take care of yourself. I'll be meeting you soon in the next video. There were some technical issues, there was some means, you know, like I updated the status on Instagram as well. Follow me on Instagram for more updates like that. User ID is here and the link will be in the description box. Okay, and moreover, stay safe, stay healthy, eat healthy, and increase your immunity. Don't get feared, don't get like oh, I've got it. No, not like that. Don't get anxious about that. Try to maintain your health. Okay, so till then, bye. Oh, I see that you are still here. Okay, it's very nice of you. And if you follow me from my initial days, then you would know better that I actually focus more on my editing part. And this video, it would have seemed a bit not up to the mark. Okay, like my previous videos, it was like fully edited ones, and like that. So this is actually because something happened. I would tell it in some another video, but the thing is that I did not actually write a script for this video, and it was all natural kind of thing. And okay, so this I thought that it would be like better to tell you all guys these things, because you are the true supporter. And okay, till then, keep supporting, and if you are new and you have watched till the end, don't forget to hit the like button. It actually means a lot. And you can all just comment below that should I do some more reaction videos or not, like that. Okay, so till then, take care and bye.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, oh, oh.